Hi, I'm Rita Wilkins, also known as the Downsizing Designer. So, welcome back to my weekly 5 and 5 series where I share 5 quick tips in just 5 minutes on anything about decluttering, minimalism, and living a simpler life with less. So, if you're new here, welcome. I do hope you find this valuable. And if you're returning, welcome back. And thanks so much for your wonderful comments. I do hope that you'll all subscribe and so you can see more videos just like this. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment. And also make sure you send it to other people you think might benefit. So minimalism isn't just about one size fitting all. And if you've ever felt like you didn't quite fit into that traditional mold or image of a minimalist, the white walls, the stark rooms, you're definitely not alone. The truth is there are many paths to living with less, and each one is valid. So today we're going to explore 5 different types of minimalists, and you'll see for yourself which one or which several of those you might fit into. It could be a combination of a number of them. And knowing your your minimalist style, helps you embrace minimalism your way. So let's get started. So the first one is the practical minimalist. So you love systems, simplicity, efficiency, and you're not the one who's going to chase that Pinterest perfect home because you just want less chaos and more function. So if this sounds like you, focus on eliminating items that don't serve you on a daily basis. So make sure the countertops are clear. Your inbox is empty. You've streamlined your wardrobe. And this is really where your sweet spot is. The second type is the aesthetic minimalist. You're drawn to beauty and also simplicity. So your home and your workspace is calm, is well curated, and is pleasing to the eye. So you value quality over quantity, and you tend to choose fewer, more intentional items. So if this sounds like you, when you're decluttering, ask yourself, does this contribute to the visual peace and calm that I want in my home and my workspace? If not, then just let it go. The third type is the environmental minimalist. So for you, living with less isn't just about space, it's about sustainability. You're mindful of what you consume, how it's made, and where it's going to go after you're gone. So if this sounds like you, focus on donating and repurposing, borrowing, or buying secondhand. So your decluttering journey is rooted in caring for the planet, and every item you choose not to buy will make a difference. And the next type of minimalist is the emotional minimalist. So you crave calm, clarity, and also mental space. Clutter makes you feel anxious and also stuck. So living with less stuff is your way of protecting your mental energy. So if this sounds like you, do a monthly walkthrough of your home and look for items that might have snuck in unnoticed over a period of a month and ask yourself if they contribute to the calm space that you yearn for. And if not, declutter it and let it go. And the last one is the idealist minimalist or the perfectionist minimalist. You want your space to reflect your values. When it doesn't look perfect, you might feel that you failed. So if this sounds like you, just try this. Reframe that definition of minimalism as peaceful but not perfect. So let your home reflect your life, not an ideal that's almost impossible to achieve. So we all have blind spots, and recognizing your own is that first step towards staying true to your minimalist journey. And if you like more help identifying your minimalist style, just download the essential minimalist checklist for simplifying your life. It's a great resource for it's only $2.99. You can get it on my website, or you can also get it in the link below. And it's going to help you stay aligned with your intentions and also with your values. So I'll see you next week. And until then, just keep it simple and stay true to your vision.